Hello YouTube. Today I'm cleaning some Powerblue tins I actually got from Plato's Closet. We'll actually talk about Plato's Closet later in a different episode. I stepped in some mud and it's not terrible. It's not like a stain, but there is a lot of mud on them. So we are going to get all the mud off using household items. Okay, so the first we want to show is what we're going to clean them with. So we have a bowl of water. We got a bowl of water. We have this, my sauce. You put a little bit in the water. Then I have these brushes, and actually you can use any type of brush. I got these from Walmart. This is just a hard bristle brush. These are actually hair brushes, and then this is a soft and medium hard bristle brush. And then I have a special toothbrush I've been using it a lot, so it's very smashed. Don't want to get this mixed up with your actual toothbrush, but this toothbrush I use for like details and getting tough stains out. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is you want to get the sole clean. You want to use the hard bristle brush to get off the sole and the midsole. Then you can take either your hard sole or your soft. I use the hard first because this is a leather shoe, so it can take a little bit more. Just to clean off this extra that's around on top of the toe box and around the other parts of the shoe. Then take the mid, which would be the medium hard brush, go back in one more time, get all the corners, doing a circular motion. Actually, I found that's the one that cleans the best. Don't worry about the mess, it will always be a mess, but you just have to keep cleaning up as you go. And never work on any surfaces you know could get like potentially really dirty, like uncleanably dirty. Alright, so that's done. Now I'm going to get the dirt that was stuck in between with this small toothbrush, that stuff that the brushes didn't get. Also, I'm going to be going inside where the leather is. Normally I would take out the shoelaces, but this shoe is pretty clean, so I'm going to leave the shoelaces in. Alright, so the shoe is now done, completely clean. So here you go, you can see this is what the sole looks like. Here's the whole shoe. This is what it used to look like, so you guys can see the difference. That just a little soap and water pretty much and some laundry detergent baking soda can do. These shoes actually are for sale. These are size 11.5. You can find the link to my eBay in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to leave some comments, like, subscribe, let me know what you would like to see in videos, new things I should try out, suggestions that you may have. That'd be very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. I'll see you guys for the next video.